A man buys 35 kg of sugar and sets a market price in order to make a 20% profit. He sells 5 kg at this price and 15 kg at a 10% discount. Accidentally, 3 kg of sugar is wasted. He sells the remaining sugar by raising the market price by P% so as to make an overall profit of 15%. Then P is nearest to 25, 22, 31 or 35. Now let's solve this question. Let's assume the cost price as 100 rupees. Hence, we can say that the marked price, as it is given, marked price is to make a 20% profit. Hence, we can say that the marked price is 120. Now, he sells 5 kg at this price. That means he sells 5 kg at rupees 120. That means he is earning 120 into 5. That is 600 rupees and 15 kg at a 10% discount. Now, discount is always applicable on the marked price. So 120 into 10% discount. That means we can say the multiplying factor is 0.9 or 90 upon 100. We get it, the selling price is 108. Now, at selling price of 108, he is selling 15 kgs. That means he is going to earn rupees 1620 from this transaction. Now it is given that accidentally 3 kg of sugar is wasted. That means out of a total of 35 kgs, he is going to sell only 32 kgs. Out of that, 5 kgs he has sold at 120, 15 kgs he has sold at 108. That means 20 kgs are done. The remaining 12 kgs are sold at a different price. Now it is given that his overall profit is 15%. That means the total income he has earned is 35 into 150, which is equal to 4025. Out of 4025, he has already earned 600 and 1620. That means we can say 2220. So the amount remaining to be earned is 1805. Now 1805 he is going to earn from 12 kgs. That's the remaining quantity remaining. So the selling price for those 12 kgs would be 1805 divided by 12, which is approximately equal to 150. Now the question asked here is, he sells the remaining by raising the marked price by P% so as to make an overall profit of 15%. Now the marked price is 120 and he is eventually selling the product at 150. That means the price has been raised by 30 rupees approximately. So the percentage increase will be 30 upon 120 into 100. Hence, the answer would be 25. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA exams. Please subscribe to the channel to get simple solutions for questions appearing in these exams.